sounds sick. You're warming it up, fool?
Yep, it's already warmed up.
Oh!
I don't have that much gas, huh? But I put 5 gallons in there, so it should be a lot. I don't know why it's saying it's less, maybe.
It says you have a quarter.
Less than the quarter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's more. All right, that's good. But I thought it was there when I filled it up.
Damn. You need gas, fool?
E85? We don't have it. But no, not for what I'm about to do.
I got some in my...
Oh, my search tick marks all the way down to the nibble.
I guess.
Don't trip.
Woo. He said he's about to send it. Ice fab rear. Cut on? Dang! How many fans you got, fool? How many fans you got? To put the zip tie on because it busted.
Yeah, just keep everything in there. You're good.
You want it in that?
No, that's good. That's good. All right. Hey, look through the camera, nigga. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Look through the camera. Don't look at me driving. Even if I'm waving at you. Look through the camera. Because if you see everything through the camera, that means you got it. That's good. That's just how it goes.
Oh, it doesn't go all the way?
Yeah, nigga. You fucking on my
No
radio.
fuck. Exactly. What do you mean forcing shit? It's just a busted piece of shit.
Yeah.
So you want it in real? You want to keep it in real?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Damn, you turn the battery dead, fool. It's black. What'd you fucking do?
It's on, isn't it?
No. Oh, you killed the battery? How? What happened?
I got it. Come on. All right. Yeah. We're gonna miss it. Hit record now.
Go ahead.
Hit record. Hit record while it's sideways.
Dang! You might want to keep that one.
Nah, I don't need
All right, there we go.
hit the manchi. Oh, he tried to hit the 360.
Hey, do you have an iPhone?
Yes.
Does he have AirPods?
I think so. Ooh, he almost hit it. I can't see a dang thing. Oh, front bumper. Behind you. It's right there.
Better. Oh, ready? 40. Second.
Let me move his bumper. Slit that thing off. Oh. Huh?
Grip out of my front tire.
You don't have any grip on your front tires? They look almost gone.
That shit banging off the rail line though?
That shit sounds sick.
How about the flyby?
Flyby sounded sick.
Again?
Hit another flyby?
Yeah.
Now I want to get you hitting this cone.
My nitrous wasn't warmed up, so that's like no nitrous.
That's why it was like that?
So gripped up. That's why it's
Woo.
shooting me in 360.
Yeah, you gotta hit that cone, bro.
I don't have wide strap, I got a knuckle.
Actually, the tires don't look too bad.
Camera. Over here. Then over here. Look at this. Look at this shot.
Oh!
Hey,
You're right.
So crazy.
Dang.
I gotta take grip out. Look, it's going by itself with the clutch is sticky. It's fine.
You're right. 100%.
Now come on this side.
Hmm.
Oh, wait, Trevor, you can take pictures while recording.
I can do that later with my footage.
More burning.
You gotta do some burning?
Yeah, right here. Look.
Wait, hold on.
Sun's going down.
I know, right?
Man, that's this thing is real out of my. Oh, I already know.
I had to change batteries, so I was like, oh, crap.
I tried to hit a 360. Cut off. Yeah, I tried to hit a 360. Got back on it, but
sounded good. Can you switch it to picture mode though? I do want to get some pictures.
No, you just take pictures. Hit
How?
picture.
This?
Yep.
The recorder, this one?
This one, yep.
This one?
Yeah, hit it.
Okay.
I can take pictures out of anything too, but if you hit that, it's taking pictures, right?
I believe so.
Hit off record. Take off record. Now take pictures. Yeah. You gotta take pictures down.
Hey, is your switch broken? That's why your fucking shit keeps going off?
I got you. This is it.
Yeah, I already got some.
Yeah. You gotta take something like that. Let me see that. Let me see. Let me do it. I already know I'm about to be up on it, nigga. My baby's right here. You ain't even taking
I did.
You know what? You want to hit some with this lens? I know you want to. I know you. I don't know how to work it as good as you, but I do know how to use it. Oh, it's a G series, so it's the same. Oh, nah, he's got a sick ass zoom on it.
Here.
24105. That's what I have. No.
Here.
Damn! Look at this shit. Looks fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. Your shit's that gripped up you can't hit the fucking...
Huh?
Your shit's that gripped up you can't hit the fucking... Right here?
No. The more I'm on G, it shoots harder the other side. Like it's gonna shoot me like way
What,
over there.
You're not trying in first, or... You'd probably do it in
Up
first.
my car is?
Do it in first.
To Manji?
Yeah, no, right here. Well, you could Manji in
Oh
first,
yeah, I can do that in first.
Oh, damn.
That's probably, if you were doing it in second, that's probably why
No.
why you kept
Oh, yeah, you're
sliding
right.
so far.
Alright, hit record. I'll do a Bernie, and then I'll go around the corner.
Wait, hold on. What you gonna do?
He said he's gonna hit the Bernie.
Wait, I don't know what camera you want to get that
I'm
one.
using mine. I got 4K 120.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. He stalled it. Right? Gotta switch sides. Oh, I love that smell. It's like, how could a drifter not like that smell? Am I in a good spot for you? I think he's gonna come in and hit the cone right now. Dang, that sounded like a piece of glass flying by. Dang! It's smoking. That looks sick. That looks great. That was sick. I think he's out of tires completely. I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure?
Yeah, I seen sparks flying. Yeah, you hear it?
Oh!
Damn! Oh!
I didn't hit anything, I don't think.
Yeah, you just did a 50-50 on this concrete.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Like a off-road truck.
Dang.
That's from the tire. Hey, that's that real hooligan shit right there. I just wanted to go crazy for the one time.
Dang, she's smoking.
That's straight up tire.
Yes, wild. Jeez.
So,
I mean, that's all him too.
That shit's crazy, huh?
Jesus.
I'm gonna move your GoPro onto your car.
okay.
Oh my word. I think we might have to put that out. Kick some dirt on it or something. It's going hard. Oh, my foot.
Right on up. No
Dang.
bumper, just shredded.
It does look dope without it.
But that shit's still eating though. I was just trying to make pops and bangs and shit. You hear? Yeah, I was trying to do that a lot. Damn, look at that.
We done?
Sick. Oh yeah, them tires are on a sick one.
I didn't take a picture of the tires motion.
I already got you.
For IG, I'm not gonna say shit.
Dang. Dang. I swear that license plate was straight before. I swear it was.
Where's your drone at? Oh shit. Oh, the valley?
Dang! Yeah, we need that. That is insane. I wish I had new tires, man.
Dude, my shit's so gripped up. Look how big of a hole it put in the ground.
Dang.
I'm gonna take those. I'm gonna drop my traction bars down. That shit's too wild. I can't drive like
Bro.
that. I can chase cars like that.
The shoe is cooking, bro. Jeez.
I'm flying through the smoke that you just made.
You're gonna
Look
have
how
to.
crazy that shit looks.
You're probably gonna have to try and put that out with
I am.
some water or something.
Yeah, I got tons of water bottles.
Jeez. That's all tire smoke. Somewhere somebody's saying, what the hell is this?
That shit sounds crazy.